Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making sushi guys, but I'm going to making sushi with different way. I'm going to making sushi with my mom way. So I'm going to use 250 gram of sweet rice. I wash already guys. And 200 milliliter of water. And 50 milliliter of coconut milk. And teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix it first before cook it the sweet rice guys. I'm going to cook it right now. And when the rice already boil, I'm going to open it. I'm going to mix it a little bit first guys. So make sure in the bottom doesn't stick because have coconut milk on it. And I'm going to cook it again. And this is 2 pounds of beef ribeye guys. And for the spices, I'm going to use 2 pieces of red onions, 3 pieces of garlic, 3 pieces of lamb leaf, and some of ginger. I'm going to blend all the spices first right now. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, it's good enough. And right now I'm going to saute all the spices first. I'm going to put a little bit of oil. And I'm going to add teaspoon coriander, teaspoon salt, teaspoon beef flavor. I'm going to mix it first. And half teaspoon of sugar. Saute the spicy for 3 minutes first guys. And then I'm going to put ribeye in. And cook it the ribeye for 7 minutes guys. The sweet rice is cooked already guys, so I'm going to take out all of them. I'm going to put it on the bowl. And let the rice cool down first. And on the ribeye, I'm going to add teaspoon sesame oil. I'm going to mix it. Okay, it's good enough guys. The ribeye is cooked already. And right now I'm going to use 4 pieces of carrot, 4 pieces cucumber. I carry little pieces already guys. I carry all of them. Right now I'm going to use sushi nori to roll the sushi guys. I'm going to roll it right now. I take 1 pieces of sushi nori. I put the rice in the side. I put the rice in the side and I'm going to make it flat first. Okay, and I'm going to put ribeye in the side. And I'm going to put a carrot and cucumber in the middle. And I put more ribeye in the side. Okay, now I can do roll it guys. Put both hands in the side. Squeeze it and roll it again. Squeeze it. Okay, it's good enough guys. And right now I'm going to making the second one. Do the same thing like the first one. Put the rice in the side. Put the beef in the side. And put the cucumber and carrot in the middle. And I'm going to put more beef in the side. Roll it. Squeeze it. Roll it. Okay, it's good enough guys. I make it all of them already guys. And right now I can do slice it. I can do slice it all of them. Okay, this how it look like guys. And thank you so much guys for watching. And the reason I'm making the YouTube channel because I want to share my mom recipe to you. If you like my video, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye guys.